The deadly mango ripening gas incident. In the mid-20th century, a dangerous incident occurred in South India involving a large mango storage warehouse. During peak summer, thousands of mangoes were stored together in a sealed facility. As mangoes ripen, they naturally release ethanol and methane-type gases, which are highly flammable when they accumulate in large amounts. Because the warehouse had no ventilation, the gases kept building up. When a worker switched on a small electrical device, the spark ignited the trapped gases. A sudden explosion tore through the warehouse. The roof blew off. A massive fire spread through the storage area, and nearby shops were evacuated as emergency crews tried to stop the flames. Investigators later confirmed that the blast was triggered by fermented mango ripening gases trapped inside the facility. This incident led to stricter ventilation and safety standards in fruit storage warehouses across India.